Yes.
Listen,
24 hours, 7 days in week.
7 days? You watermelon birthday sleeping 7 days?
Not sleep. Not sleep. Not sleep. You're young. Are you good? Oh.
Listen, I have another breaking news.
You know what I like? I like your socks. Really very beautiful. It's styling. New mode. Wow.
Black socks meeting Black China.
Can you say
White socks,
black
Trump
one?
community, Trump company. It's coming from Trump company.
Okay, can you send for me please with the black one?
Ah?
Black one. I want black one. Can you send to me please?
You want this is white China. This is black China.
Yes, this is. It's very beautiful. I want like this.
Ah?
I want this black one. Can?
Listen, I have breaking news.
You have.
She's
all-time
from
breaking news.
Russia. She's from Ukraine, opposite of Russia. Every day, one day, she's under the table, watermelon size, 360. Not 360. 300. 300. Not 360. Very mango. No big watermelon.
Good nicht 3 kilo.
Ah? Listen. She is, if I'm talking to 5 minutes with him, if I'm talking to for background for about with him, right now she is expire out. Expire out. Expire. Next, another. Where is my appointment? Where is my appointment? Where's my appointment? Eh? Where's my appointment? Emalata said. Eh? Oh. Another one. Another. Any country difference. Any country, any worldly people. Any worldly. Bro, respect me. This time is ladies' time.
What?
Mano, this time is ladies' watermelon. Respect my time, bro.
Okay, I was just about to read time. It says time. How can I use my time?
Oh, you have breaking news?
Yeah, I have breaking news.
Okay. I have breaking news again. Breaking
What?
news for any breaking news. You first serve me, I'm first next serve you.
What?
For breaking news.
Okay.
Yeah, you talk first finish, I'm back to talk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, which language do breaking news?
Oh, you want me? Oh, it's breaking news.
Yeah, first breaking news.
Oh, what kind of breaking news? Let me see. Hold on.
China
Don't feel
language.
like picking up my phone. Celine. Oh, you want me to read what I was gonna read?
Ah?
I was gonna read.
Okay, I wait you. I wait you.
I can done away. It's okay, Mara chat another.
Time is a gift. It is given in time. God gives you the opportunity to serve Him. Valuing time begins with seeing it from God's perspective. When you do, you learn that there is always time to accomplish God's plans for your life. When you give your time to the Lord, He promises you that the opportunity will not be wasted.
You are pastor?
Oh, no, I just, if you're blessed with an opportunity to have a community, you always got to use a little bit of time to talk about God because you can't be so prideful to take it all for yourself. You got to be appreciative to God and you got to give it all to Him. You understand? And then so I have this amazing opportunity to talk to my friends. I'm going to at least take 2 seconds to talk about God.
I talk to you first. Shut up. After talk step by step, talk step by talking. Give me chance, please. What the fuck?
Okay, my bad, bro. Chill. Relax. Okay, your turn.
This guy is coming from United States of Germany. Is living under the table. Something working to kitchen. And the bokok. This is come to cut malata. The malata so, madam. Malata lich. Malata is very opportunity.
Okay. No?
Yeah. Say I love you, Malata.
I love you.
Exactly. Okay. After that one, under the table. Okay. Time is late. Watermelon, communication, fatazara. Yet time na pare. Bokbaka. Who is this guy? Who is? Where from? Respect time, beautiful something from attention, ladies, papai. Papai. Watermelon ko na papai gigil, diba? Papai. Another one next, excuse me. Wagadi banjiratani. Another. I fight another any country. Wala China, wala Guinea, I don't care. Any world.
这2K。怎么办？我有点害怕哎。
你好。
你好。
讲就讲就嘛，就我就讲讲讲，宝贝，你讲讲，讲。
谁跟我讲话？这怎么回事？
咱们用床上，啊。
我们要退出吗？
人家我管家啊，我呀，已经，
有点吓到了，不好意思。
我讲讲。
还有2000多个人欸，不是2000多个人在看，我想说是怎么回事？什么东西啊？还是我直接跑了是吧？我先跑了。